Hey everybody, I'm Padma here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful shawl or a blanket with all the small and big scrap woolen leftovers and such a beautiful color ones. I'm using all the acrylic yarn. Just don't worry about the colors, just take any two color together, preferably one of light and one of dark color. I'm sure you're going to enjoy doing this. It's a very easy project and I think so I will finish it within a week or so. I'm very fast in doing. Check out all the fun ways you can wear it in different styles on any dress anywhere during cold season. So these are the scrap woolen I'm having with all different colors. Okay, I'm taking this 5.5 mm needle because I'm taking two yarn together. It's going to be a 4 plus 4. It's going to be 8 ply. Okay. Or you can take any two colors together and just make a ball of it so that it will be easy for you to use it. Okay, let's start doing it. My foundation chain will be of 100 chain because I want my shawl to be 40-inch wide. Okay, I'm leaving this much long yarn every time I'm starting and as well as ending it so that I need not do any fringes later. I'll make 100 chain and come back to you, okay? Okay. Now I finished doing 100 chain here. Okay. So always start with a single chain and start doing the single crochet into the second hole. Two, three, four, five, six, seven. And now I'll be back after doing 100 single crochets. So this is 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and this is 100. Okay, now keep a little bit long and then cut it for the fringes of this much. Now I'm going to measure this. Uh, this will be the width, so it's exactly 40 inch here. Okay. So now I'll take this pink color and blue. Okay, let me take the white one. This will look nice. Okay, now let's join this color. This is how you have to join, keeping a long fringe at the beginning. Okay, just make a knot here. Make a single crochet in the first space and repeat doing the single crochet till the end. Okay, this is last one, 100. Just tie it, keep sufficient length and just cut it off. Okay, now you can repeat doing the same until to your desired length. So it's only single crochet, 100 single crochet each line. Okay, in the same first single crochet in the same space, 1, 2. Whenever you turn it, you always make a chain and make a single crochet into the same space so that this will be straight. Now I have made some more than 100 or 120 lines. So I'm still working on it. See, this is looking so nice here. So see these fringes, it will be on both the sides. Then I will cut it in level, how much of a length I want. Is measuring for about, I think it should be 40. See? $60. 60 length is altogether 160 lines plus 60 plus 18, so that is 78-inch length and 40-inch width. Okay, now I finished my project. If you liked it, please like and subscribe me.